to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter.
Covering your nose and mouth at all times in and on the airport. Failure to comply will result in removal, denial of re-entry, and penalties under federal law.
We will be boarding this aircraft from the rear pole, will be boarded by runway 5 and zone. So please report.
Transporting items without their knowledge.
Hello.
Hello.
Go ahead and scan your here. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Hello, morning.
Keep in mind that overhead bins are shared space and if the bins are not requirements. If you are unable to or prefer not to perform the exit requirements, please let one of the flight attendants know and we will be happy. Hello everyone and welcome aboard America's greenest airline, Frontier. On behalf of your crew and Fran, the sea lion on the tail, we welcome you aboard. In preparation for departure, be sure all carry-on items are stowed under a seat and that stretch seats and all tray tables are upright. Make sure your small electronic devices are held or secured in a pocket, seat pocket, or carry-on for takeoff. As we care about your safety, please pause the use of electronic devices, remove the safety information card from the seat back pocket, and direct your attention to the flight attendants. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. To adjust, pull the loose strap, and to release, lift the top of the buckle. The seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits. There are 2 door exits in the front and 2 door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 4 overwing exits, 2 on each side. Each is equipped with an evacuation slide that inflates automatically when opened, and the slides at the forward and aft exit doors may be used as rafts. Red and white signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to all exits. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exits, keeping in mind they may be behind you. In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave behind all carry-on belongings. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop from the overhead compartments throughout the cabin and inside all lavatories. Quickly pull down on a mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and adjust the fit by pulling on the elastic tabs. Make sure to adjust your mask before assisting a child or others. Although oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. In the event of a water evacuation, remove the life vest under your seat when instructed to do so by a crew member. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Pull the tab to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, wrap that strap around your waist, and insert the end into the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The location and use of life vests for small children may be found in the safety information card. An additional life raft is located in the overhead bin. Location and instructions for use of this additional life raft may be found in the safety information card. Also on the safety information card, you will find instructions for use of the escape lines. Escape lines are designed to assist customers evacuating through a window exit and while on the aircraft wing during a water evacuation. They are located in the marked overhead bins in the mid-cabin. For everyone's safety and comfort, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with posted placards and lighted signs throughout the cabin, as well as crew member instructions. A friendly reminder that smoking is not permitted on any Frontier flight, including the use of vape pens, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a laboratory smoke detector. Flight attendants are now passing through the cabin to conduct our final safety checks before takeoff. Please let us know if you have any questions about the information covered in our safety briefing. Thank you once again for choosing Frontier Airlines. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your 44-minute flight to Miami.
follow me on Instagram and Twitter.
Welcome to Miami. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we are parked at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Cell phones may now be used, however, laptop computers and other large electronics must remain stowed. Once we arrive at the gate, please use caution when opening the overhead bins to prevent entry from articles that may have shifted during landing. For questions regarding ground transportation and baggage claim, a Frontier customer service representative will meet this flight upon arrival and is happy to assist you. For those customers needing special assistance, we kindly ask that you remain seated until the majority of the customers exit from the aircraft, as this will allow us to better assist you. For those customers visiting Miami, we wish you a pleasant stay. For those who live in the Miami area, welcome home. On behalf of your crew and everyone on Team Frontier, thank you for traveling with us today. Please be sure to visit flyfrontier.com the next time you plan to fly to get our lowest fares done right.
Thank you, bye-bye.